Hello, this is Dr. Cui. So in this video, I would like to discuss another commonly asked question. What are you most proud of? So in order to answer this question, you need to know that you can tell the interviewer anything you are proud of, like an interesting case you have ever seen in the clinic, and how did you do for those? What did you do for those case, and what's your contribution for this the case, and how did you make the correct diagnosis and give the patient appropriate treatment based on your contributions. So now also you can talk about your research, what's the achievement you got from your research, and what's the significance of a research, any influence to the human beings um, with your research. And also you can also talk about your families, like how many kids you raised, and how hard you worked for your family, something like that. And also you can definitely talk about other achievement of yours, other achievements, like if you joined a sport competition and you did great during that competition, and you also if you win award, so you can definitely talk about that. But the key is always add a reflection of each story, and why you're proud of it, and what kind of personality or character you can show to the interviewer, and how can this story make you unique. And you always want to let people know you better during the interview, instead of just telling them a interesting story without know anything about you. So that's the thing. Always add a reflection at the end of each story. So here I can give you my example. So Dr. Cui, can you please tell me something that you are very proud of in your life? Yeah, definitely. So because I'm a researcher, so I'm very proud of my research. Well, one of the projects I'm most proud of uh, air pollution and cardiovascular diseases. You see, in the past 10 years, the air quality in China is very bad. And initially we thought it's just normal weather. We thought actually it's not. Those small tiny particles floating in the air, after inhaling it, it will be deposited in our pulmonary tissue, and will cause constantly damage to our body. And it can it can damage our cardiovascular system, endocrinology system, and even can impair our reproductive organ and further cause infertility. So that's why we want to focus on it. And in our team, we found that after inhaling these particles, the atherosclerosis process will be accelerated. And we published many paper, you see that so our folks started knowing it, and our government also paid attention to it. So they took some actions like cleaned the energies, and also restricted the vehicles running on the street. You see that in the recent 2 years, the air quality in China is getting better and better. So that's why I'm very proud of my research, because it's useful. It can help my folks live in a better environment. So that's the most important thing that in my life, and I'm very proud of it. So you see that in this case, I told the interviewer that about my research, and also I also add a hook that I want to let him know more about my research, ask me more about my research, or what I did. So probably he will ask me something about my research in the next couple of questions. And also I added that my research is useful. It has significance. It helped my folks live in a better environment, and so all of these things drives will help me to catch the interviewer's attention. So So that's my example I can give to you. So I hope you can. I hope it's helpful for your interview as well. So good luck.